Good night, my son. I'm just calling to touch a few topics with you because it's the end of the new year. Yes, I have to tell you, make sure, say, you wash your dirty bungle from morning, right? And make sure, say, you clean the house. And if that long toenail girl there is there, make sure, say, she help you clean the house too. Alright? Now, but I can drop off the clothes. I'm on a laundromat, boy. Yeah, pay for make laundromat the clothes. Make sure you wash them this time because I don't want the new year catch you with a dirty bungle. After that, when you get dressed, if you're gonna go out tonight, even if you're not go out tonight, you take at least $1 or a $5 and put it in every pocket so that the New Year's catch you with money pan you. Alright? You do them something there. And Paul, do me I beg you. Clean out the dirty fridge very good because the other day I come over there and it just smell moldy in the house. Okay? And sprinkle like a white rum in every corner. You don't want a new year catch you with duppy in your house. Or with spirit of living there. You want your house be nice and fresh. Alright, Pablo? And you see, just like I was dropping off the food to you, or you was coming to pick it up, are the same thing I gotta do until you left that girl. And yes, I gotta cook fish the same way, just because I know she's allergic to it and she nothing name none. Goodbye.